In his journey in his Christianity, he felt an emptiness during his journey, and he was praying to the song. He was praying and he was experiencing an emptiness. Then he realized he wants to feel the first love again to the Lord. So it is Tagalog. I was explaining through the song. I think ang title, Unang Pag-ibig. By the way, ako po si Jeffrey Gatchalian po, brother Jeffrey Gatchalian. Gusto ko pong i-introduce yung sarili ko. By the way, naging Christian po ako way back 2015 po. Dahil po yun sa tinapay. Ang tinapay po ay ang naging instrumento para maging Christian po. Dahil po yun sa natatandaan ko, ini-invite kami ni Kuya B-Boy, dun sa church ng sa old church ng BGI. Napakaganda po yung mga talaga